So today we're going to talk about the high-speed disc parts and what we stock here at Sloan Express. And the first thing we're going to just walk up to is the bearings, the bearing selection that we have. And the first these two bearings you see here are your roller bearings on the Degelman high-speed discs. And then you got these other bearings, and we'll kind of go specifically into this. This bearing here is for your disc blades, and that one is an aftermarket that we offer. And then we actually have the OEM bearing as well, because we are an OEM dealer for Degelman. The next bearing is going to fit your Norwood and Deere high-speed discs. So just to kind of give you an idea that it's going to fit quite a few different makes and models that we have here. And then we'll go dive back into the Degelman side of it, or even the Kinsey side on the mocktails. We'll get into your scraper arms. So you got the cast arms, and you also have their Max Life scrapers, which is basically all you can get now is the Max Life scrapers. And then getting into the disc blades, we also have aftermarket versus OEM brands. You'll kind of see here we have these blades that have the eight holes in them, and that's a combination stamp. So that will fit either Deere, Degelman, Norwood, or Kinsey. They're actually made to match up with those. So if, say you buy a set, you can't get to match up to one set of holes, just move it to the next hole pattern. That will get you to your fit. And then we also keep the Degelman double V, which is the only one that you can get that's specific to OEM. You can't get it in an aftermarket yet. So just want to make you aware of that, especially if you're wanting to get a double V versus just a regular notch blade for your high-speed disc. And also something we've always stocked, still working on getting model fits for them, but you can get your measurements off of any of your high-speed discs. We can fit you up with a bull pull hitch as well. So if you have any questions on this product, you can give us a call at 800-934-9777 or check them all out on sloanex.com.